In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog on Payhip. Let's get started right from your Payhip dashboard. First, log into your Payhip account using your usual details. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Account. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that list, select Store Builder. This will open up your store editor, which is where you'll manage how your storefront and blog pages look and function. Inside the store editor, focus on the left-hand side of the screen. There's a sidebar there, and at the top of that sidebar, you'll find the page navigator. This is essentially your control center for all the pages on your site. Click on the page navigator to open the list of available pages. In that drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Blog Pages. On the right side of that label, there will be a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to create a new blog page. When you do this, a new page or panel will open, dedicated to setting up your new blog. Now it's time to configure the new blog. Start by entering a clear and descriptive blog title. This title is what your visitors will see, so choose something that matches the content or theme you plan to publish. Under the title, you'll see options for how you want to handle comments on your blog posts. You have three choices here. You can disable comments completely if you prefer not to have any discussion on your posts. You can allow comments but require moderation, which means comments won't appear publicly until you approve them. Or you can allow comments and have them publish automatically, which encourages quick interaction but requires you to keep an eye on things in case you need to remove anything inappropriate. Once you've decided on your title and how you want comments to work, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Add Blog button. After you click, give it a moment for the page to process your request. You should then see a confirmation message appear at the top of the screen, letting you know that your new blog has been saved successfully. At this point, your blog is created and ready for you to start adding posts and customizing it further within the editor.